Hi guys, this is Brian, founder of Sekoni Original. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the Tidal Moonphase with you guys, and we'll be showing you the white dial Tidal Moonphase in silver and rose gold. This is the box that the Tidal Moonphase will come in. I've already taken out the watch off the straps of the box. So there are two kinds of white dial, the silver one and the rose gold one. I've put the white dial silver case on a black leather strap right now, and on the back of the watch, there is this art piece that comes along with all our Tidal Moonphase watch. This art piece is actually only 4 hair strands thick, and we actually put this art piece into an oven for 4 hours to strengthen the art piece before airbrushing this art piece onto the glass and then inserting it into the watch and putting a sapphire crystal onto the watch. So on the front of the watch, you will see that there is a Moonphase function, and covering it is a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, meaning that nothing can scratch this other than diamond, because it's actually really resistant to scratches and it's really hard. And on the case, you will see a shiny, polished finish. And this is the silver dial Tidal Moonphase. Let me just give you a quick look of the rose gold Tidal Moonphase. So it's the same thing. I've put it on a crocodile textured dark brown Italian leather, and the barcode is also rose gold. And if you want to learn more about any particular portions of Tidal Moonphase, you can just look at our website or our YouTube channel. We will show you how different functions of the watch works. In the box, you would see a few brochures as well. So there are more instructions, there are warranty cards, and with every watch, we're giving away a free mesh strap as well. So say for the rose gold Tidal Moonphase, it will come with a mesh strap like this, so you can change the look of the watch whenever you want. With the mesh strap, Tidal Moonphase will look a lot more casual, with the leather strap a bit more formal. So that was the unboxing video for the white dial Tidal Moonphase. If you want to shop Tidal Moonphase, just go to the link below and check out our website. We offer 2-day delivery, and all Tidal Moonphase watches come with a 5-year warranty. So yeah, thank you.